Today, India is acknowledged for its success in economics, trade, industry, education and science, largely due to liberalization that has resulted into increased integration of India into the global economy. Yet, poverty still remains its most serious challenge. Fired by a passion to empower the underprivileged section of society, Buldana Urban Cooperative Credit Society was founded with a meager capital of US $210 and 72 members. Today, the quality and spread of services of Buldana Urban have ensured a global acceptance for the society.
The vision of its founder, Mr. Radheshamji Chandak, alias Bhaiji, and ceaseless efforts by young CMD, Dr. Sukesh Zamwar, have borne fruit. The multi-state society is today a behemoth, with 380 plus branches, 360 plus godowns, 21 schools, 6,000 dedicated employees, 7 lakh members and a $1.4 billion business. Buldana Urban is working today in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Telangana, Simandra, Goa, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This widespread network in rural areas accorded the society an opportunity to work in association with nationalized banks and multinational giants in the financial sector.
Ably led by its techno-savvy CMD, Dr. Sukesh G. Zawar, Buldana Urban has adopted a state-of-the-art technology to offer customer-oriented services like data center, core banking, internet and mobile banking, coupled with mobile wallet and SMS services. Dr. Sukesh Zawar realized that unless the effective use of new-age banking technology is brought into practice, the growth of Buldana Urban will slow down. He made the technology easy to use and remolded it in a way to offer maximum efficiency and transparency.
In 29 years of span, Buldana Urban has grown to an immense size of $1.4 billion. The reason behind is there are two breakout innovations we did. One is 4-pillar system and other is social banking. Now what is 4-pillar system? 4-pillar system is a financial innovation in which more money is poured into the institution and institution can go for various projects. And the second is social banking. Principle behind social banking is people's money should be utilized for well-being of people.
Today, Buldana Urban is the first and only credit society to introduce the instrument tracking system for DD, TT, check and cash. The society is keen on optimal use of information technology. All documentation of the society is made online to avoid any frauds. The society has transferred the benefits of its modern-day technology to over 1,000 credit societies and plans to reach up to 2,000 societies in the near future. In his constant efforts towards modernization and globalization of the society and the cooperative movement at large, Dr. Sukesh Zamwar, the CMD of Buldana Urban, was appointed as a coordinator of ACU for India in 2012. Buldana Urban team played a key role in successful organization of International Cooperative Meet at Shirdi on 6th and 7th July 2012.
Moving a step ahead next year, Dr. Sukesh Zawar planned and organized an international conference on cooperatives during 18th to 21st July 2013 at Buldana. Delegates from 11 countries across the Asia-Pacific region gathered in Buldana for the 6th meeting of the ICA committee. The highlight of the international convention was the election of Dr. Sukesh Zawar as the president of the ICA Asia Pacific Youth Committee. In the glorious 100-year history of Indian cooperatives, this is the first time that an Indian citizen has been honored with this prestigious position.
Dr. Sukesh Zamwar and his team at Buldana Urban are always in search of different ways to reach to the most underprivileged sectors of the society. This is clearly reflected in their approach while designing loan schemes. Apart from conventional loans like gold and silver mortgage loans, cash credit, term loan, personal loan, loans for higher education, vehicle and housing are available at affordable rates. The society also extends unique loan facilities like alternative energy equipment loans and cooking gas loans for the underprivileged families. Farmers can avail crop loan at lower interest rates in association with Indian Overseas Bank. The gold mortgage can be inspected without opening the packets using ultra-modern machines. Locker facility is available in most of the branches. A dairy project with milk chilling plant are being set up with the active participation of our members.
Proper storage of agricultural produce is a common problem for the Indian farmer. In order to help farmers to overcome this problem, Buldana Urban has constructed and taken over 360 godowns in 3 states. All these godowns are interlinked with a core warehousing network specially developed by Buldana Urban. The staff working here is properly trained and well conversant with scientific storage systems. The society has also built a cold storage to preserve highly perishable agricultural produce.
We at Buldana Urban tries to give urban facilities in the rural area. Among them, education is the key. For rural students, we try to give world-class education facilities in our 21 schools. And the facility is also at the very low cost.
The society started Sahakar Vidya Mandir in Buldana. This is the first residential co-education school offering world-class education from nursery to standard 12. Separate hostels for boys and girls, well-equipped digital education classrooms with self-developed digital education software, computer and robotics labs, highly qualified and dedicated residential staff and other infrastructural facilities make this school one of the best schools in Vidarbha and Marathwada. SVM offers both CBSE and SSC curriculum in residential as well as day boarding pattern.
In addition to Sahakar Vidya Mandir schools in Buldana, 20 SVM schools established in semi-urban and rural areas have offered an easy access to quality English medium education at an affordable cost to nearly 21,000 rural students. The Buldana Urban offers free education to children of martyred soldiers and sponsors the wards of those farmers who unfortunately chose death over life. The society has built hostels like Ellora Nivas in Buldana for working women and Ajanta Chhatra Niketan in Pune for the students.
Buldana Urban has built the 72-kilometer Malkapur-Chikhli road on build-own transfer basis. This excellent quality road is the society's small contribution towards nation building. Building of guest houses for devotees in Tirupati, Mahur, Shirdi and Omkareshwar has lent a distinct identity to Buldana Urban.
In reverence to the age-old tradition of worship of cows, the Buldana Urban has built a shelter for their upkeep and protection. Buldana Urban is also setting up Jeevan Sandhya Swargashram, a home care center for senior citizens, and a Ved Pathshala under the guidance of respectable saints. To enhance the exchange of knowledge and experience in the field of cooperatives, the Society is establishing an International Cooperative Training and HRD Center at Shirdi. It is therefore a matter of immense pride that the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, is working in association with Buldana Urban. The Society's efforts have been appreciated by the World Bank as well.
Vidarbha and Marathwada are also known as cotton belts of the state. The farmers grow cotton as a cash crop, but the price fluctuations take away the profits. In search of a solution for this issue, Dr. Sukesh Zamwar reached Chennai and joined hands with Microspin, a venture by Mr. Lakshmi Narayan Kannan. Together, they came out with the world's first small textile mill operating with 300 kg of cotton per day. Today, this textile mill converts raw cotton to finished cloth at an investment of rupees 3.5 crore.
Concept behind this small scale textile mill is 25 farmers can come together, have a capital of 3.5 crore rupees, and they can establish their textile mill. The younger generation can work in the textile mill. The older or the middle-aged can work in the farms as well along with the younger ones, and they have their own textile mill. They are producing cotton as well as processing the cotton.
It is also observed that the farmers can earn as much as 60% from the sale of finished cloth as against a mere 6% from the sale of raw cotton.
It is important to note that when Bill Clinton Foundation visited Buldana Urban Textile Mill, they also show interest in having a joint venture with Buldana Urban to have one such kind of mill in the nearby area, and we are working with them, and we got the buyer also West Hill from United States who is buying our fabric.
Dr. Sukesh Zamwar is keen on wholesome development and inclusive growth of farmers and landless farm labourers. He put forward the bank's potential to agencies like the International Fund for Agriculture Development, Sir Ratan Tata Trust, and the Government of Maharashtra. This resulted in the appointment of the Buldana Urban as a nodal agency to execute the Sustainable Agriculture Project in October 2012.
Farmers in this area are getting benefits from the water conservation as well as the additional businesses they are doing along with the farmings. These businesses are mainly goatry, poultry and the dairy business. When we calculated how much benefits they got, you will be surprised to know that these farmers are having the additional income of about $2,000 per annum from these businesses.
Various projects for water and soil conservation and watershed management are undertaken in these villages. Farm ponds, nala bundings, construction of small cement dams are a few to name. This has improved the groundwater level in the area, resulting in better irrigation. With the help of CAME project, Buldana Urban has encouraged farmers for parallel activities like poultry farming, goat farms, animal husbandry for milk production, dairy projects, etc. This has brought back the confidence among the farmers in tough times.
Buldana Urban is running Sustainable Agriculture Development Program in 120 villages, benefiting almost 200,000 farmers. The concept behind this program is there should be completion of farm economical cycle. Initially, when the farmer goes for the sowing, we provide him the crop loan, better quality seeds, better quality fertilizers and drip irrigation facility. Because of the shortage of the electricity, we have invented a windmill of capacity 3.5 horsepower motor pump so that he can easily water his farm.
If a village, the basic unit of our society, is self-sufficient, the nation and its economy can progress. Dr. Sukesh Zamwar believes that rural population must get the advantages and facilities of modern-day life. His dream is turning into reality in around 120 villages, and Dongar Khandala, the birthplace of its founder chairman, Bhaiji, is one of them. This small and remote village is adopted by the society, and around 6.5 crore rupees were spent for the wholesome development and inclusive growth of the village. The per person cost of development is only $100 or rupees 6,500.
Buldana Urban has made a significant contribution in developing clean and healthy sanitation, properly constructed 15 to 20 feet wide cement concrete roads, facility of pure drinking water where villagers can get 15 litres pure RO water in just 5 rupees with the help of water ATM, a village cleanliness drive and garbage management, educating the villagers about personal as well as social hygiene and actively involving them in village development activities.
Taking an innovative step, a small capacity textile mill converting raw cotton to yarn is also installed in the village. This effort of the society has given the local farmers a better price for their produce and assured employment to the local youth. Agricultural Equipment Bank, warehouse with scientific storage system, a food grain cleaning and grading plant is also provided in the village. Low-cost housing projects, distribution of solar lamps and smokeless chullas, plantation of thousands of trees, efforts for soil and water conservation are being carried out by Buldana Urban.
On 2nd October 2014, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi appealed to the people of India for Swachh Bharat Mission or the Clean India movement. Buldana Urban was all set to take up this opportunity to serve their hometown.
Buldana Urban's cleanliness program for the Buldana city is based on the 5-step program. In that program, we study the drainage map of Buldana city as well as garbage habits of the residents of Buldana. And then according to these habits and the drainage map, we plan our strategy.
The society got the contract for city cleanliness and beautification from the local municipal corporation, adding its own CSR funds and going a few steps ahead of the contract. The Buldana Urban has heavily invested in cleaning tools for garbage management and its disposal. A team of over 200 employees, including chief manager, supervisor and labourers, are deployed to handle machinery like 9 tractors, 1 excavator, fumigation tractor, jetting machines, road broomers are deployed to serve the purpose. This effort has also reduced the number of patients suffering from waterborne diseases and other illnesses caused due to mosquitoes and flies. It is an interesting fact to know that Buldana Urban is undertaking this Clean City project at 1/4 of the expenditure by the local municipal council.
The city is now clean and green with beautiful traffic islands. Gardens are full of trees and joyful cheers of children. In the evening, the streets glow out with energy-efficient LED lights and fill up the whole city with healthy and positive atmosphere.
Residents of Buldana are getting the healthy life, but according to me, the real benefit is decrease because of the cleanliness. There is decrease in the negativity of the people. Whenever the people of Buldana go for the morning walk, early in the morning, they see clean, beautiful Buldana and they come up with the positive energy and that help us to build a better Buldana.
The society owes its success to the continuous support of its members. The residency club set up by the society offers a range of ultra-modern amenities like 28 well-furnished AC rooms, Wi-Fi connectivity, a conference hall, a banquet hall, a spa and a salon. The revenue thus generated supports a multitude of social schemes.
Buldana Urban come up with the concept of Buldana Urban Business Network. There are around 1 million members of Buldana Urban. Considering a family of 5, Buldana Urban is connected with 5 million people. Among them, there are farmers, shopkeepers, small businessmen, big businessmen, builders, people doing handicrafts and innovations. All of them can sell their products on this network. Buldana Urban will act as a mediator for quality and financial assurance.
Buldana lacks in good medical facilities. Hence, critically ill patients have to be moved to other cities. Keeping this in mind, Buldana Urban has set up a 24-hour ambulance service and a well-equipped, full-featured blood bank in Buldana city. For the employees and members of Buldana Urban, special concessions are worked out with reputed chain of hospitals in the state. Under the Venture Capital Scheme, the society has financed a medicine plant manufacturing drugs for effective cancer treatment so as to lower the cost of these medicines. Buldana Urban has also set up a drinking water bottling plant at Malkapur.
Buldana Urban offers a range of pension schemes from central government and trusted private partners to make their old age more secure. When the dam near Buldana turned dry due to severe drought conditions, Buldana Urban encouraged the farmers to use the fertile mud and soil, providing necessary excavation facilities free of cost.
The dramatic growth of Buldana Urban is because of the employees, the staff and the policymakers. So for employees and the staff, we are promoting social security scheme. In that, we are providing them the health insurance, the life insurance, the gratuity, the pension schemes and other facilities for them. At the same time, we are also providing them the foreign tours and the profit partnership, and that is helping us very much to grow to such an extent.
Innovation is the base of the social welfare module adopted by Buldana Urban. A customized windmill for watering farms, a mechanized cultivator costing just 30,000 rupees, which can be used in place of tractor by small farmers, a bicycle weeder, production of FMCG products like shampoo, soap, hand wash, etc. are some of the initiatives, to name a few. Our efforts to enable self-help groups or SHGs to undertake uncommon ventures like assembling of electronic instruments positioned us away from the crowd. Promotion of electrically operated vehicles shows our concern about the environment.
Dr. Sukesh Zawar and his entire team at Buldana Urban are dedicated to the cause. Therefore, it is no wonder that Buldana Urban has been honoured with many prestigious awards like Maharashtra Cooperative Agro Innovation Award, Sahkar Seva Shri Award, Samajik Zaniv Puraskar and the prestigious state-level Samaj Bhushan Puraskar. Bhaiji was also awarded with the Jeevan Gaurav Puraskar at the hands of the Honourable Chief Minister of Maharashtra. The work of the society and its relentless efforts, especially by Dr. Sukesh Zawar, were also acclaimed nationally as well as internationally with numerous prestigious appointments and awards.
Dr. Sukesh Zawar is the first Indian to become the Vice President of the Global Youth Network on Cooperatives. He is also the first Indian who occupies the position of Chairman, International Cooperative Alliance Asia Pacific Youth Committee, the UN-affiliated highest body of cooperatives in Asia.
Chief India Coordinator of Asian Confederation of Credit Union, CMD of International Operations Maharashtra Federation of Credit Cooperatives. ICA is the global apex body in the world of cooperatives. They have 289 organizational members from 95 countries across the globe.
It is the rarest of the rare opportunity for Buldana Urban to get membership of International Cooperative Alliance. Previously only two Indian organizations, IFCO and CRIPCO, got this opportunity, and we are the third one for this.
Buldana Urban Cooperative Credit Society is a class apart on account of its firm belief in socially responsible and responsive banking.
Struggle has not daunted the spirit of its leaders, for whom these lines of Robert Frost are a motto. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep.